Hey guys, I apologize for not making an outside video for a really long time. So, you know my dog? Well, she's grown up a lot. Lola, not the time. Say hi to the video. Don't do that. And y'all keep asking for another dog video. So here's the dog video. See how cute she looks? Remember when my hand was bigger than her head? Oh, her head is bigger than my hand now. See? A little too big, but eh. Remember when well, today's video is, well, I made all my videos here. And yeah. Well, sad news. Really sad news. Remember when I made my thing there? My dog, she broke it. And a little more sad news. You remember this video for the thing? For my soccer stuff? Well, it's not here now. Because a storm came on a couple of weeks ago and it broke my thing. Sadly. So yeah, it's sad. Really sad. So yeah, I know. In today's video, I just wanted to tell y'all that. Yada yada yada. Just put you down for you right now. Okay, so, and also in the YouTube chat, y'all kept tagging, hey, what do your shoes look like? Okay, don't judge me, but these shoes are 1 year old. And here's my other dog. And I'm about to show y'all my shoes. Had them for 1 year. Cleaned them a lot. The tongue is almost coming out. The laces are terrible. And also, I think that I might need to buy some new sneakers. Next video, I'm gonna buy some new sneakers. So yeah, Suey. So in the next video, I'm gonna buy some new sneakers, and I'm about to show y'all my sneakers. Here are my sneakers. I told you guys that they would look a little bad because I've worn them since for a really long time. I worn them for like at least a year. They're terrible now. I think I need new ones because they fit really tight. I washed them way too many times. Here they are. Here they are. And I got a new camera that can zoom in super close in, that you can see what the material is made out of. So yeah, these shoes need an upgrade. I'm gonna get it in the next video. So yeah, but next video is a board smashing video, and yeah, basically that. So yeah, so and also drink Prime Hydration. It's the best. Go drink it. Whoever still drinks Gatorade needs medical help in their body. So yeah, this is my Prime chair. I sit here every single day staring at Gatorade and looking at Prime. If we look at Gatorade right here, it has a lot of calories, the orange one has, but they made a 0 calories one, so Prime could be mad, but the Prime made a nothing calories, so it doesn't even have any calories. But Prime's still the best. You can't say no because, well, it's the best drink ever. Are you drinking Gatorade right now, bro? No way you're drinking Gatorade! That's what I thought. Don't drink Gatorade. It's terrible for you. Okay, did you know most of Gatorade, if you drink it every single day, it doesn't give you any hydration. The only thing it gives you is thickness, and it does not help for your health bar. So, don't drink Gatorade, guys. And if I just want to say, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And my dog is the best. She grown up a lot. Bye. Well, not bye yet. But still, Prime is the best. Drink it. And my other hammer, my first ever hammer, I lost somewhere in here and I'm trying to find it. I won't end the video until I find it. Oh, I found something. Nope. Remember, I threw it somewhere over here. I don't know where. I'm thinking I took it somewhere, but I don't know where. So, yeah. That's a ba-da-ba-ba-ba. But when I was somewhere 1 year ago, you know, I used to have Puma shoes. And then after that year, I got these shoes, and I haven't upgraded since. And I'm thinking I should upgrade, but you know, it's about my birthday, and Amazon won't give me my package. I don't like Amazon because they won't give me my package. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why you shouldn't order stuff off of Amazon, because it takes forever to get it off. A couple years ago, I was gonna make a video that could have made me have like 1,000,000,000 subscribers, but it didn't let me have 1,000,000,000 subscribers because I ordered something off of Amazon. But I think I was scammed because I ordered a Deadpool suit. I was gonna destroy it, but sadly, I think I got scammed. So that sucked. So that's where I left my baseball bat. Okay. If you're wondering what I'm grabbing all kind of tools for, well, this is a little secret. This is a little sneak peek for my next video, just so y'all know. Cause next video's coming out, and the last day of August. Well, not really the last day of August, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Well, I'm not ending the video yet. It has to be an hour long later. Standing on glass does not feel right. Just so y'all know, y'all keep spamming it in the chat. Say, hey, why won't you do a face reveal? Hey, why won't you do a face reveal? Hey, why won't you do a face reveal? No face reveal until 20 years have passed when I have a mustache. Because right now, I don't have a mustache. I'm pretty junkster. And if I do a face reveal right now, bro, and people look at me with no mustache, people looking at me like, he's a nerd. He's a nerd. Yeah, we all agree he's a nerd. So, no face reveal yet. Maybe in, maybe in 20 years. Or 21. I don't know. I think I should make a big hole in the ground and then show y'all. What would the viewers think, though? Well, yeah. But drink prime hydration. Yeah. What are you looking at? Anyways, back to the video. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Sadly, I have to go. See you, I guess, next time. Bye. Minecraft video is next, just so y'all know.